So, hi guys, welcome to the channel Learn Concepts with Nikhil, Discover, Learn and Grow. So, in this particular video, we will be learning about how to create advanced custom GPTs, right? In order to create advanced custom GPTs, we have to know a special prompting structure called Markdown prompting structure. Previously, we have learned about role-based prompting structure, right? Like we learned about many prompting structures: zero shot, one shot, few shot, a chain prompting, and all these things. But basically, I personally like the role-based prompting structure where you will be going a role to AI role. You will be giving the role to AI in the prompt. You will be giving a specific task guidelines as well as some data that is optional. But in Markdown prompting structure, it is somewhat some more advanced, and Markdown prompting structure is basically used for custom GPTs, for creating and for talking with custom GPTs. So I have like I have typed the Markdown prompting structure, and ChatGPT only give the prompting structure. Markdown prompting structure typically follows a clear and organized format to ensure clarity and effectiveness, right? This prompting structure typically follows a clear and organized format. It will be in a organized format to ensure clarity and effectiveness. Here is a breakdown of Markdown prompting structure. So first, there will be title in the Markdown prompting structure. I will explain you about this as and all in the latter. First, we will be seeing the steps of Markdown prompting structure. So first is title, which is optional, but we have to keep the title. Sometimes it is we can assign the role also. Next is context or instruction. Instruction means we will be giving the instruction to the we'll be giving instruction to the AI, write a science fiction story about a astronaut stranded on the alien planet. Instruction or task, we can call it as task to here, or we can call it as instruction in this context. Next, we will be giving some constraints. Constraints in the sense like it should be these many words only, and include a first person perspective. Mention at least 1 alien species. Karke. Like we will be giving some constraints. Not we cannot call it as guidelines, but we can call it as constraints or limits. Example, we will also be giving some examples to the prompt, like if you are writing an email, write like Nikhil. If you are writing an LinkedIn poster, write like Nikhil. Karke, we will be giving some examples to the AI so that it can understand better. Next is output format. Okay, specify the preferred output format if needed, like in what format you want. Karke, written in Markdown. Okay, Markdown. User headings for sections. Okay. Include bullet points for key points. Okay, key elements. Or else you will be like you will be writing, or you will be prompting about your desired output, right? Additional notes. You will be writing some additional notes. And final example will be you will be this is the prompt, guys. Actually, this is the prompt. Generate a creative story. Next, you will be giving instructions, or you can call it as tasks in this context, in this Markdown context. Next, you will be giving some constraints, like limits. 1 minute, guys. Yeah, sorry, guys, got a small call. So yeah, in constraints, we'll be giving some constraints to the AI in the prompt so that it will be understanding the constraints which are there in the prompt. Next, we will be giving an example. Like I said, you write example, and I have also discussed about output format, like how it should be the output which is generated by AI, right? Next, additional note. Additional notes in the sense like I'll make you example with practically. I'll make you understand practically, but let's take an example. If I don't want any headers or not headers, if I don't want any bullet points, then I can write in my notes. So this is about this prompt, guys. This is the Markdown prompting, and actually majorly all the advanced people who will be using AI, who will be using ChatGPT for creating custom GPTs. we'll be using markdown prompting only in order to create advanced chat GPTs, advanced custom GPTs, not chat GPTs. So yeah, this is about markdown, guys. So in the next session, we will be learning about how to create a advanced custom GPTs with the help of Markdown prompting. It's a specialized prompting technique. It's a specialized prompting structure and technique for specially creating these custom GPTs. So thank you, guys.